Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty and I'm sharing with you one of my favorite recipes for shrimp. These are my spicy mayo sesame shrimp. Say that 5 times fast. I can't. We're gonna start by seasoning up our peeled tail-on shrimp with a little bit of white pepper, some pink Himalayan sea salt, and some garlic powder, and then toss them in a Japanese mayo. Japanese mayo is different than our traditional mayo because it contains extra egg yolks, more egg yolks, which makes it just so much creamier. Creamier as in the sense that I dip my french fries in Japanese mayo just as is because it is just that good. And when we're coating our shrimp with that mayo, it's going to create a golden brown, super thin layer over that shrimp that just makes them griddle up so perfectly. So for these, I'm just going to use little miniature skewers and skewer one shrimp up at a time. This makes the perfect little party appetizer for a group of friends coming over or family. We're going to put them right down onto our hot Blackstone. Set it to about medium or medium high heat. Shrimp only need a few minutes per side, 2 to 3. So you're gonna let them cook on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're gonna flip them and let them finish cooking. Once they are done, I just take them right off the Blackstone and let them sit for a minute to cool. So I'm gonna let them cool off for a couple minutes while I make my spicy mayo. Spicy mayo is just coupai mayo, or you could use a good quality regular mayo from the store. Mix that with sriracha. Sriracha you want to add a little at a time depending on your own personal heat preference. I like mine somewhere right in the middle, so I do just a little bit more mayo than sriracha. To that I add sesame oil, toasted sesame oil, and mix that together, give it a little taste, and make sure that it's either as sweet or spicy or tangy, however you like it. Then I'm just gonna slice up a few green onions, and then I'm gonna line up my shrimp on a nice serving board, drizzle on the spicy mayo over the shrimp, and then I'm gonna finish with just a touch of sesame oil over the shrimp as well, and then those green onions all over the shrimp, and then finish it with some beautiful toasted sesame seeds. These will fly off your serving board faster than you can put the serving board down. And I know because my nephews literally attack me when they see this tray of shrimp coming at every party that I have. So I hope you guys get the same reaction and you enjoy them just as much as me and my family do. I hope you guys make these, enjoy them, and post them. I want to see them. Tag me Blackstone Betty, tag us Blackstone Products, Griddle Nation. I guess I will see you guys in the next video. And then we're going to toss these in one of my favorite mayonnaise. That's the weirdest word, mayonnaise. And then we're going to toss them in our my favorite. These are like a it's that gorgeous. Jesus Christ. What the? Okay. I'm sure she's fine, whoever it is.